Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I got this hair, this color, using the water dyeing method. It was super easy, super fast, and if you want to learn how to do it, just stay tuned and finish watching. And before you get off of here, subscribe to my page and thumbs up this video.
So first things first, you need your wig, 613 wig. So we got the wig, we got the Gotta Be glue. Only got a little bit, I need some more, but you only need a little bit. I only use it sometimes, but with this color I'm definitely going to use it. You're going to do the red, Adore. I always use Adore, and it's really good using the water method. I did it one time without using the water method when I did pink, and it was dye everywhere. I went on vacation with it. It was dye in the pool, on my scarf, on my bathing suit. It was horrible. So we're going to do 64 ruby red and 68 crimson red. Well, crimson, but you know. And then I have this one here. I used this before when I did use the pink hair before. 142, the pink blush. I might use this, but I might not. I just want to see like how it would look. But your hair, your spray for the lace, which is not always necessary. The dye, some conditioner, some shampoo, some water, your towel, and I'm going to use this pot because I don't cook with this pot anymore, so I'm going to just use this pot also because it's easier, and I don't feel like using the pot to get the bowl, to do this, to do that. I just use this pot because I don't cook with it anymore. And you're going to need your comb. Your comb is for that when washing out the conditioner. I have the stove up really high because I want this to be like super quick, so the faster it boils, the hotter it can get, the faster we can get this started. Now we're gonna spray the lace on this with the Gotta Be glue, but also I like to put a little conditioner inside of my water while it's boiling, just to make sure the hair is like soft. So I just add a little bit in, not too much because this is my good shampoo. Mix it in a little bit, spread it out. Get that off the comb. There we go.
So now we're just going to flip the wig like inside out to the lace.
Let the Gotta Be glue dry on the lace, on the inside of the lace. Keep the conditioner boiling inside of the pot. Get it hot, get it hot. So you got the conditioner. The water is actually hot, like it's boiling hot. I'm gonna add the 64, the ruby. I feel like I could have put like a little less water, because the more water, the more dye. If you want it to be like a strong color, the more water you have, the more dye you need. Okay, they got a cap on it. The other ones didn't have a cap on it. Ooh, here we go already, guys. I'm gonna go pick gloves on. Ooh, that water hot. Ooh, that water hot. Ooh, I'm gonna definitely go pick gloves on. I have the fire off. Be back at it again with the 64 ruby. I picked gloves on because I don't want this everywhere, and I see that's what it's trying to do already. So just mix it in. And that's also why I put the plastic back here, because I usually do it in the kitchen. I'm not gonna lie, I usually do it in the kitchen, but I'm very clean, so it don't be hair all over the place after I'm finished. I'll throw some that on my wall. Clean as you go. That's it, and you'll be fine. Oh yeah, that's dark. Ooh. I'm just gonna put like a bit of the blush just to put it in, because I know it's gonna come out red regardless, but alright, maybe a little more than good. I feel a little bit more than good, but alright. I'm gonna mix that in there. Oh, maybe I put too much pink, let's see. it's a little wet. Oh man, we're gonna get the ends in there first, especially with this color, like this blonde. You definitely have to be careful. Like now, this looks full pink. This looks full pink, guys. Oh my gosh. No, I don't like it like that. No, so I'm going back in with the ruby. I'm putting like the whole thing in. The 64 ruby. It looks like fuchsia. No, I'm putting the crimson. Oh, it's hot. The fire is off, and the fire is off, and it's really hot. Can you see it smoking? I put more than half the bottle of crimson in, and I think that's why I need the crimson, because this joint is pink. I don't want it like that. So if you want the bright red, light red, don't use the 142. Do not use the pink blush. Stick with your shades of red, cause alright, now it's turning red. So the crimson did it for me. It balanced it out, I think. The whole thing's gonna be red, but maybe the top could be like a little lighter. But I need that pink to get out of there, because I don't like the pink. I can see the red, but I can still see a lot of the pink. Okay guys, so now I love the way it's coming out. I'm gonna add a little bit more conditioner, because it is soothing your hair. This is the color I wanted. This is it. I love it. You see the pink still up here, so now I'm just gonna dip the whole thing in it, lace it on. Then we put the spray on the lace, so it's not gonna be crazy. And you know we can always fix our lace, well, to a certain extent, but yeah. The whole thing is in there. So that's how you know we're gonna need a little bit more color. I'm gonna add the ruby and now I'm gonna add the whole thing in it again. Ooh, that's cute. That's going to be a little darker. A little darker. I didn't want the ombre look, but this is kind of cute. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to just put that in there. And I scratched some dye on the stove. So I'm going to take my stove rag, rinse my gloves off, wet it a little bit. Water dye is the best method, I'm telling you. Okay, so I let it sit for like 3 minutes. Now it's definitely darker. And I like it both ways, lighter or darker at the top, but the bottom is definitely darker. And I love it. And now it's more red than that pink. It's not that pink color no more. The top is kind of fuchsia, just a little bit, but it looks good. And I was saying I added 2 tracks to this. Like I bought a separate bundle and I sold in 2 more tracks, maybe 3, but not even a half a bundle. Just the top. I don't like when you put your head down and you can see in between. And they be like, oh, it's 150 density, and it really be like 100. So I had to get an extra bundle, and I added that in. gonna add a little more crimson, 68 to the bottom. That's it. For like 2 more minutes, I'm gonna get my stove sponge. If you're not such a clean person or it's not your kitchen, do not do this in nobody else's kitchen because they will have a fit. Guys, this red is coming out beautiful, beautiful. Because I can't always go darker towards the end, so I don't mind letting it stay in there. So I'm gonna just leave that right there, like that. And it's not dripping here, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna put these dyes away. So remember, do not use this 142 if you don't want no pink. Don't use it. Just get you 2 shades of red. You seen the color. You seen it take the color at like 40 seconds. So you don't even have to let it sit. Just to let it soak it all up and get darker and, you know, nourish in it. It's fine. Leave it as long as you want. It could be 2 minutes in. It could be 8 minutes in. Like right now, this has been like 6 minutes. But it was done in like 4. Only because I left the 142 pink blush in it that I shouldn't even put it from the beginning. If I never would have put that in and just kept the cube with the crimson and the ruby red, it would have been done in like 3 minutes, 4 minutes the most. So this is really easy, super quick, and it does not come out. This is a 26-inch. I had 2.5 bottles. A whole crimson, a whole ruby red, and a half a bottle of 142 pink blush in the door. I didn't use the pink blush that much, and I still have more crimson left and a little bit of ruby red left. But so you don't need 4, 5, 6 bottles. If you have less than 4 bundles, you're fine with a nice size pot or bucket. Don't get the big old bucket like this with all the water in it. Get you a nice size. Like, it shouldn't be no bigger than this. You will be having buckets like this big and wonder why I have to use 15 different bottles of dye. I don't need that. I just need it less than 2. And it's perfectly fine. So I have it just sitting in the sink, sitting in conditioner, letting it soak up some conditioner so it can be soft. A little bit of color came out with hot water. None came out with cold water, but I like to get as much out as possible. So I do like wash it with the hot water, maybe like 2-3 times, and then with the cold water, then let it sit in conditioner with warm water. So now it's just sitting there with the warm water. I'm gonna wash it on maybe like 10 minutes. Hey, I love it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe to my page and like this video.